So let's talk on conversion from one base to another. Example. So anytime you are converting from any base to base 10 is multiplication. Anytime you are converting from any base, it may be base 2, maybe base 3, maybe base 4 to base 10 is by multiplication. How do you do that? You just use these two to multiply everything you have here. That means y 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. So you start from the back here, 0, 1, 2. So that means 1 times 2 raised to power 2, that is 2 raised to power 2, that is 2 times 2, that is 4, plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1, that is 2, plus 1 times anything raised to power 0, that is 1. So 1 times 4, that is 4, plus 1 times 2, that is 2, plus 1 times 1, that is 1. So 4 plus 2, 6, plus 1, 7, base 10. So anytime you are converting from any base to base 10, so it is by multiplications you do. Okay? Don't forget I said anytime you are converting from any base to base 10 is by multiplication, even though this one is having decimal points. So this is how we do it. Start from the beginning. 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 point 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. So from here, the whole numbers here. So 0, 1. At the back of 0 we have minus 1, minus 2. So as 1 times, 2 raised to power 1, that is 2. 2 raised to power 1 is 2. 2 times 1, that is 2. Plus anything raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 in math is 1. 100 raised to power 0 is 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1 in mathematics. So 2 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 1, that is 1 point 1 times 1 over 2 raised to power 1. In mathematics, when you have 3 raised to power minus 1, if you want to take away the minus, according to the law of indices, negative index, you want to take away minus, to be represented by 1, that is 1 over 3 raised to power 1. That means 1 over 3. If you want to take away the minus, even if you have 2 raised to power minus, you want to take away the minus, it will become 1 over 2 raised to power 2. That is 1 over 4. If you are taking away the minus, so that is how we introduce this. That is plus 1 times 1 over 2 raised to power 2 as cancel. Okay, that is 2. 2 plus 1, that is 3 points. 1 times 1, 1 over 2 raised to power 1, that is 2. Plus 1 times 1 is 1. 2 raised to power 2, that is 4. That is 3. Now collect the LCM. The LCM here is 4. How many 2 can I see in 4? That is 2. 2 times 1, 2. Plus how many 4 can I see in 4? 1. 1 times 1, 1. That is 3 whole number. 2 plus 1, 3 over 4. And at times you may not stop here. You may not stop here. So you can now say when you have 3, that is 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 over 4. How many 4 will I see in 15? That is 3 points. It remains 3. That 3 that remains, add 0 to it. How many 4 will I see in 30? That is 7. 4 times 7, 28. Remain that 2. Add 0 to that 2. Make it 20. How many 4 will I see in 20? That is 5. And that is 3.75. Is 10. That is in case it comes with decimal. 0.124. Like I told you, anytime you are converting from any base to base 10 is multiplication. Is what multiplication. But this will start from 0. So that means you can start it. So that means 1 times 5 plus 2 times 5 plus 4 times 5. But don't forget, with the other examples, the number that comes after the decimal point will start with minus 1. So that's why we're going to start this one with minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, because it starts from after the decimal point. Are you getting it now?